Okay, we're at Watercrest. We're at Watercrest 1206. So just as you walk in the door, got a laundry area here right off to the left. Got tile floors. Missing a little bit of tile there under the cabinet. Dishwasher's out of adjustment here. Bad ballast in the light fixture. I don't know if you can tell that on the video, but it's flickering. One bathroom here. Countertop is kind of low. It could be a good or bad thing. Great for small people. I'm 5'5" and I think I would be complaining about bending over for that sink, but you can always put it on blocks if you wanted to adjust it. Thanks. Okay. One more bedroom here. Bathroom. Looks like a little damage to the mirror there. That drawer needs some attention. So far, just minor little fixes. So from the bedroom here, you have a door that goes to the balcony, and you have a little bit of a Gulf view from there. Let's go outside on the balcony. Hey, darling.
Hello. It's pretty out there.
So you do kind of have this cruise ship window view from back here. In order to see more, you're going to have to approach the railing.
Good way to describe.
So we're right above the pool. You can see your neighbor's balcony there and down below, and also in front of you over this way. All right, we'll catch you guys on the next one.